Bando Crane. New jump of 30-year career Bando. Since originated from Bando Mining Company and then established in 1967 in the name of Bando Machinery, the company's symbol mark has been a sign representing the corporate determination and spirit of Bando Crane Company Limited to direct for perfect artisan spirit and world best. Designed in elliptical shape in which B, initial of Bando, is centered and H and C, initials of hoist and crane respectively, are wrapping each other. The symbol mark of Bando Crane Company Limited plays the role to enhance the unity among the members and pride and build up the image of a national enterprise that is trustworthy to the customers. Bando Crane Company that provides deep emotion with the customers by perfect after services. Starting from the establishment of Bandohoist Crane Company in April 2001, took over the production business in the field of hoist and crane, including ISO certification, the certificate to pass the test for overload prevention and protection system related to Industrial Safety and Health Act, and S-Mark relating to the safety certification in the field of electronic chain hoist obtained in May 2001. After renamed as Bando Crane Company, certification of ISO 9001 and 2000 were obtained in November 2003 again, while S-Mark was obtained for electronic wire hoist in December 2003. On the other hand, Bando Machinery Company was established in Hampyeong, Jeollanam-do for aiming the manufacture of logistic automation plant in February 2004. Since then, CE mark for wire hoist field and S mark for chain hoist were obtained in June 2004, while certification of excellent after-service supplier in Korea appointed by the Ministry of Industry and Resources in July 2004. In April 2005, Bando Crane Equipment Incorporation was established in Shenzhen with a production capacity of 5,000 hoists per year. Always practicing the customer emotion, we Bando Crane Company, national enterprise, think and practice from the viewpoint of customer in the safe, correct, and kind manner, and manufacture the product with the philosophy of management to always realize customers' emotion through the goods produced with the spirit of top ranker in the business circle. Materialize the customer emotion through the goods manufactured with artisan spirit soul. Bando men never forget this spirit, which is the promise and assurance for the actual practice. In the manufacturing process of Bando hoist, state-of-the-art equipment and systematic units enhance the performance of the finished goods by progressing each process exactly and safely, in which top priority is put on the convenience and safety of the products to highly meet the customer satisfaction. Each process is perfectly operated by the most excellent workers with more than 30 years site experience in the relevant field. The processes consist of receiving of raw materials through exact quality inspection, cutting of raw materials, parts processing, polishing, midterm inspection, storing in warehouse, issuing work order sheet, supplying parts, assembly hoist, washing and painting the finished goods, electric wiring, connecting wire rope, assembling hook and switch on-off, quality inspection, finishing work, packing, storing in warehouse, standing by, etc., after which a finished hoist comes to be completed. Now you see the screen. We show the production process for Bando wire hoist as per each stage. The stage of cutting raw material is to produce the frame of hoist through the precise perfect cutting by automatic cutter, which finally leads to the production of frame of the hoist handled by skillful engineer with more than 20 years experience. The next stage of parts processing is to produce the parts that will be installed within the product, which is carried out in the mechanical processing teams, where first, second, and third team use CNC milling and general milling machines. The next polishing stage of processed parts is to carry out the precise processing for the gears that were processed in the mechanical processing team, which is worked in the polishing room of mechanical third team. The stage of midterm inspection is performed by the responsible worker of each process to make the quality inspection for the products. This process is a very important process available by Bando only, which can verify the technical power and artisan spirit as well. The next stage is hoist assembly process, which is carried out by the assembly line teams such as large size, small size, and chain hoist. The stages of shot blasting, washing, and paint is to shot, wash the product to remove the foreign materials and then paint them. Quality inspection stage is to make a judgment for pass or failure for the products, which is carried out by product inspection team at the large size or small size inspection platform located in the production site. In this case, the products that pass the inspection will have the label of passage together with the real name tag of the inspector. From now on, we would like to explain the new products that have been recently developed by Bandohoistrand Company. The first one is 4x1 hoist. With the reduced size in half compared with the existing model, this newly developed product exerts the same performance. This model is developed in two types, such as 5-ton and 10-ton. 4x1 hoist is constructed with single rope winding instead of existing 2-rope winding, which enables the reduction of its dimension by 40%. In particular, it characterizes the competitive price of product, 25% cheaper compared to the existing product that was enabled by our effort of cost reduction activity. Accordingly, the characteristic of this 4x1 hoist is that its overall size and weight are reduced, while its function and degree of convenience are upgraded, and the sales price is considerably decreased.